In the field of user experience design, there are several principles that guide designers in creating intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. These principles are based on human psychology and cognitive processes, ensuring that designs align with user needs and expectations. Let's explore some of these fundamental principles and provide examples of how they can be applied in real-world design scenarios. Law of accessibility. The law of accessibility emphasizes the importance of designing interfaces that are inclusive and accessible to users with disabilities. This means considering the needs of individuals with visual impairments, hearing impairments, motor disabilities, and cognitive disabilities, among others. Designers should strive to provide alternative text for images, captions for videos, and keyboard navigation options. For example, a website should have proper heading structure and descriptive alt text for images to ensure screen readers can interpret the content accurately. Law of responsiveness. The law of responsiveness states that systems should respond quickly and provide real-time feedback to user actions. Users expect a seamless and interactive experience, and delays or lack of feedback can lead to frustration. For instance, when a user clicks a button, there should be an immediate visual indication that the action has been recognized, such as a button changing color or displaying a loading spinner. Law of load time. The law of load time highlights the importance of fast loading times. Users have become accustomed to instant access to information and have little patience for slow-loading websites or applications. Research shows that users are likely to abandon a website if it takes more than a few seconds to load. Designers should optimize assets, compress images, and minimize server requests to ensure a smooth and efficient user experience. Law of mobile optimization. The law of mobile optimization recognizes the prevalence of mobile devices and the need for designs to be optimized for smaller screens. Mobile optimization involves creating responsive designs that adapt to different screen sizes and touch interactions. For example, a mobile-optimized website may have a simplified navigation menu, larger touch targets, and vertical scrolling to accommodate the constraints of mobile devices. Law of Gestalt Principles. The law of Gestalt Principles suggests that certain visual principles, such as similarity, proximity, and closure, can guide how users perceive and interpret visual elements. Designers can leverage these principles to create meaningful and organized designs. For instance, grouping similar elements together or using proximity to visually connect related items can help users understand the relationships between different parts of an interface. Law of color theory. The law of color theory emphasizes the importance of color choices in design. Colors can evoke emotions, convey meaning, and impact readability. Designers should consider cultural associations, legibility, and visual hierarchy when selecting colors. For example, using red for error messages or green for success notifications can provide clear visual cues to users. Law of typography. The law of typography highlights the significance of typography choices in enhancing readability and conveying the appropriate tone. Designers should select fonts that are legible and appropriate for the content and target audience. For instance, using a clean and sans serif font for body text can improve readability, while a decorative font may be suitable for a logo or heading to convey a specific aesthetic or brand personality. Law of Microinteractions. The law of microinteractions recognizes the impact of small, subtle animations or interactions on the overall user experience. Microinteractions can provide feedback, guide users, and add delight to the interaction. For example, a button that subtly changes color when hovered over or a progress bar that shows the status of a file upload can enhance the user's perception of the system's responsiveness and engagement. Law of Progressive Enhancement. The law of progressive enhancement suggests that designs should gracefully adapt to different devices and user capabilities. This approach involves starting with a solid foundation that works on all devices and then adding enhancements for more capable devices or browsers. For example, a website may have a basic layout and functionality that works on older browsers, but additional features and interactions are added for modern browsers or devices with touch capabilities. Law of User Control. the law of user control emphasizes the importance of giving users control over their interactions and the ability to customize their experience. Designers should provide options for users to personalize settings, adjust preferences, and tailor the interface to their needs. For instance, allowing users to customize the font size, theme, or notification preferences can enhance their sense of ownership and satisfaction with the product or service. Understanding and applying these design principles can greatly enhance the user experience of digital products and interfaces. By continuously learning and adapting these principles to evolving user needs, UI/UX and product designers can ensure that their designs meet both user expectations and business goals. If you like my video, please like it, share it with others, or subscribe to my channel.